This is a major topic for me in my client conversations. We always talk, when we talk about analytics and AI, we talk about the need to have proof of concept work and being fast to value, and that's great and that's correct. But when you've got beyond a proof stage, it's definitely about how do you then unlock that value for the long term. And generally what you need for that is a whole load of data together in one platform. That takes longer to put in place, tends to cost more. So when you get beyond a proving stage, you need to sort of think about the longer term, larger delivery plan and how you're then going to get repeatable benefit. We hear about ecosystems and alliances all the time. Everyone's talking about them, and it's definitely the direction of travel for financial services. So you get long established players, insurers that have been around for 300 years. The Lloyd's of London market has been around for more than 300 years. So when it wants to innovate, it's looking to newer, younger, innovative, disruptive partners that it can then put new business models in place with. And the key thing that they need to be able to do that is to share data. So that, again, it comes back to, it's a brilliant business idea, there's some real value that they've identified, how are they going to make it work? And just as with your use of Google, there's a certain amount of data that you need to interchange. Lloyd's need to share data with a new insurtech, and you as a customer, but also your broker and your agent. So all of these parties need to be able to share a certain amount of data to really bring that value. And that's the direction of travel we're seeing more and more across all sectors, subsectors within financial services. So for once, I'm not going to say it's about data. So what we find is that almost 100% of the time, the biggest blocker is cultural. It's organisational, it's about people. So people who have been working in a company for, say, 20 years, doing a certain kind of job, are now being told there's a whole new way of working. They may not be ready to work that way, they may not be able to work that way. They're going to worry about their future, they're going to worry how it's all organised, what does it mean for them. And those are the factors that we find really are the biggest sort of stumbling blocks, because it's a change of culture, a change of ways of working. There's a load of great value at the other side of that, but those are the biggest stumbling blocks.